Hey there, welcome to another episode of Tips and Tech Talk. I am your host, Ron, and today we're talking about the top 5 drones that are not manufactured by DJI. Last week I talked about the top 5 drones on the market today. 4 of them were DJI. So a couple people asked me, hey, what about drones that aren't made by DJI? So although they own 70% of the market, there are a lot of drones out there that are available for purchase and are very good quality. So without further ado, here goes my top 5 drones not made by DJI. Number 5 is the GoPro Karma. I say this with caution because GoPro doesn't offer it for sale anymore. As far as I can see, they still do service the GoPro Karma, but it is a drone that is still available. You can get it for $699 at B&H Photo, and you can get it for $799 at Best Buy. It has a detachable stabilizer grip so that when you're not flying the drone, you can take your GoPro and you can get that stabilizer on the ground level. So other things that's offered, so it captures 4K at 30 frames per second video, because again, you have to use your GoPro for this. It's compatible with the GoPro 5 Hero Black, the Hero 6 Black, and the recent Hero 7 Black. So all 3 of those cameras will fit in the GoPro Karma. Number 4 is the Unique Typhoon H. The Unique Typhoon H comes in at $749 through $899, depending on where you buy it. And with this drone, you can get up to 22 minutes of flight time. You film in 4K resolution. It also has a controller with the monitor already attached to it, a 7-inch Android touchscreen, and that displays live footage of your flight. So you're going to see what the camera sees just like any other drone, but you don't have to worry about hooking up a tablet or a phone. Number 3 is the Parrot Anafi. This comes in at $599, and it is ideal to film stunning HD video and take outstanding photos. It has 3-axis image stabilization. This flying 4K camera boasts exclusive video and photo shooting capabilities thanks to its unique 180-degree tilt gimbal, and you can zoom up to 2.8. What's really cool about the Anafi is that it tilts from negative 90 degrees to positive 90 degrees vertically without sacrificing on quality. Plus, this drone only weighs 320 grams. It's a very compact drone, and from all the video that I've seen, the quality of video that you get with the Anafi is pretty good. Number 2 is the Unique Typhoon H+. This drone comes in at $1,899, and it's kind of a competitor to the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. The Typhoon H+ is a hexacopter, and it has a 1-inch sensor capable of shooting at 4K at 60 frames per second. So besides the Phantom, there aren't a lot of drones out there that you can capture 4K at 60 frames per second out there. The Unique Typhoon H+ is one of those drones. Another similarity that it has with the Phantom 4 Pro is the fact that it has 30 minutes of flight time. So that's another reason to like this Typhoon H+. You get a long battery that you can be up in the air for quite some time. And number 1 should be no surprise. It is the Autel Evo, coming in at $999. This has a built-in 3.3-inch screen included on the controller, streaming at 720 HD. So much like the Unique H+, you don't have to worry about hooking up an adapter like a tablet or your smartphone. You have the monitor right on the controller of the Autel Evo. This comes in at $999, which is half of what the Unique Typhoon H+ comes in at. So that's why it comes in at number 1, is because you don't lose that much in video quality, but yet it's half the price. A big reason to love the Autel Evo is there's no geofencing. You don't have any automatic software in the drone telling it where it can't fly. So if you're one who's looking for work with search and rescue teams, police departments, and things like that, you might want to consider the Autel Evo. So there you have it, the top 5 drones out there on the market, not manufactured by DJI. So if you're someone who likes to go against the grain and go against the current, like I said, DJI has 70% of the market, but if you want to buy a drone from a company that's competing with that, maybe one of those 5 drones, it might be for you. So hope you learned something. Hope you liked this video. If you did, share it with your friends. Also go to my YouTube channel, and you can watch a lot of my videos there. Hit that bell icon to make sure you're notified when I make future videos. And of course, go to ronrobinsonstudios.com, where you'll see a whole lot more content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time for another episode of Tips and Tech Talk. So long.